पहले अगर हम बात करें, अगर हम ओल्ड टाइम्स की बात करें, जो लोग थे लाइक 50 इयर्स के, 60 इयर्स के, दे वर फेसिंग लाइक हार्ट रिलेटेड इश्यूज. बट नाउ डेज वी आर सीइंग अडेप्टिव चेंज दैट यूथ इज़ गेटिंग इंडल्जिंग, दे आर फेसिंग अ हार्ट एक्स. अगर हम बात करें, हम हर दिन, हर एक दूसरे दिन हम सुनते हैं आउट ऑफ 10 3 यंगस्टर्स या 3 टीनेजर्स दे आर फेसिंग हार्ट एक्स. व्हाट्स द रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट? Hello and welcome. You're watching CN News. As we all know, today is a World Heart Day. So healthy and happy, that's what our heart's supposed to be. So here is with me Mr. Nasir Chaudhary, a renowned cardiologist from Jammu. So let's have a word with him. Hello sir.
Hello, thank you for inviting.
It's good to have you here. Sir, my first question to you is like, पहले अगर हम बात करें, अगर हम ओल्ड टाइम्स की बात करें, जो लोग थे लाइक 50 इयर्स के, 60 इयर्स के, दे वर फेसिंग लाइक हार्ट रिलेटेड इश्यूज. बट नाउ डेज वी आर सीइंग अडेप्टिव चेंज दैट यूथ इज़ गेटिंग इंडल्जिंग, दे आर फेसिंग अ हार्ट एक्स. अगर हम बात करें, हम हर दिन, हर एक दूसरे दिन हम सुनते हैं आउट ऑफ 10 3 यंगस्टर्स या 3 टीनेजर्स दे आर फेसिंग हार्ट एक्स. व्हाट्स द रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट? वाई दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम अ हार्ट डिजीज़ और हार्ट अटैक्स?
बेसिकली मैम, अगर आप कंपेयर करें वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड के साथ, वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड में स्टिल अगर हार्ट अटैक्स को देखें तो इट इज़ बियॉन्ड द एज ऑफ 50 मोस्टली. बट इन इंडिया और इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट में 50% ऑफ द हार्ट अटैक्स आर बिलो द एज ऑफ 50 एंड ऑलमोस्ट 25% ऑफ द हार्ट अटैक्स आर बिलो द एज ऑफ 40. रीज़न बीइंग, अगर आप पिछले 20 ईयर्स की ट्रांजिशन देखो फ्रॉम रूरल टू अर्बनाइजेशन में, इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट में हम लोगों को कार्डिक अवेयरनेस बहुत मिनिमल है. वी डोंट इम्बाइब गुड हैबिट्स इन चिल्ड्रंस. जब भी कोई प्रिवेंटिव मोडेलिटीज़ जो है आपको यू शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द चाइल्डहुड. हम उन पर कभी फोकस नहीं करते. वी डोंट टीच देम कि गुड फूड्स, बैड फूड्स का क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है. अक्सर आजकल आप देखते होंगे 3 में से 1 या 2 बच्चे आपको हेल्दी या ओबीज दिखते हैं. अर्लियर व्हेन आई वाज इन द स्कूल ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, आई रियली यूज्ड टू सी ए ओबीज चाइल्ड एट द एज ऑफ 5, 6 और 4 ईयर्स. नो इट इज़ आई कॉमनली सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज हम लोग ने आजकल टोटली चेंज कर दिया. बच्चों को फ़ोन्स दे देते हैं, दे आर यूजली सीइंग कार्टून्स, दे आर स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम ऑन ऑल दीज थिंग्स. खाने का इंटेक, जंक फूड्स खाते हैं, पेस्ट्रीज, पिज़्ज़ास एंड ऑल, आइसक्रीम्स एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. बट अगर आप किसी छोटे बच्चों को फुटबॉल उठा के या बास्केटबॉल उठा के कहीं गेम्स में या स्टेडियम्स में जाते हुए रेयरली किसी को देखोगे. और आप इसमें देखोगे रोड पे चलते हुए भी, तब भी आपको एल्डरली लोग मिलते हैं हमेशा वॉक करते. वो लोग जिनको डॉक्टर्स बोलते हैं कि आप वॉक करो टू कंट्रोल योर हार्ट डिजीज़, नॉट एज ए प्रिवेंटिव मोडेलिटी. अब यंग एज के लोग बहुत रेयरली, लेस देन 20% लोग, एक स्टडी हुई थी रिसेंटली जीपंत में, दे हैव फाउंड दैट ओनली 20% ऑफ द पीपल बिलो द एज ऑफ 30 आर डूइंग द मॉर्निंग वॉक्स आर रेगुलर एज ए प्रिवेंटिव मोडेलिटी फॉर हार्ट डिजीज़. सो हम लोगों में कहीं ना कहीं अवेयरनेस की बहुत कमी है. और एंड वट आई बिलीव कि मोस्ट कॉमन काज फॉर यंग हार्ट अटैक्स इन इंडिया, अदर दैन द ट्रेडिशनल रिस्क फैक्टर्स जो ऑलरेडी सबको पता है, बीपी, शुगर, कोलेस्ट्रॉल एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. 3S, I will definitely say 3S means one is stress, another is sedentary lifestyle, and third is sleeplessness. These 3 things are playing a major role, and above that, diet also playing a major role.
Besides food, okay, besides food, sir, there are other factors. Like we are seeing like other youths who are going for the exercise, for the morning walk, and who are into a lot into the sports. They're also facing a heart ache. हम देखते हैं कि फुटबॉलर्स इसकी डेथ हो गई, everything. So what's the reason behind that? अगर हम उनकी बात करें, जो लोग एक हेल्दी डाइट भी फॉलो कर रहे हैं, एक बैलेंस डाइट भी, और बहुत कॉन्शियस और ऑब्सेस्ड है अब फूड को रिलेटेड, मतलब हेल्दी फूड के रिलेटेड, उनमें भी ये चेंज हम देख रहे हैं कि हार्ट एक्स हो रहे हैं या हार्ट रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, कॉरोनरी हार्ट डिजीज़ वो फेस कर रहे हैं. सो उस चीज़ के बारे में
देखिए, अभी रिसेंटली सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला डाइड ऑफ हार्ट अटैक, देन सौरव गंगुली हैड ए मैसिव हार्ट अटैक, बिफोर दैट मंदिरा बेदीज हस्बैंड. या तो रीज़न मस्ट बी दैट दी स्पोर्ट्स मैन आर गेटिंग हार्ट अटैक. ऐसा नहीं है कि दे आर नॉट एक्टिव, दे आर फिजिकली वेरी एक्टिव, बट जेनेटिक्स हेयर कम्स इन टू प्ले. सौरव गंगुली के केस में देयर वॉज ए वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फैमिली हिस्ट्री. Another thing, you never know their stress level. You never know how is their sleep cycle, because the biological clock which we have earlier, our fathers, our forefathers used to have, we are totally changed. We are going to sleep at late in the night up to 2, 3. We are working and we are getting up early in the morning just to go for the work. And this must be the reason. You are getting sleep of only 4 to 5 hours. Your heart takes rest only at the time of sleep. It cannot stop beating. So your heart slows down during night. Your heart rates came down from 90 or 100 to 30, 35 during the sleep. So it needs rejuvenation during the night hour. It gets rest only during the night. Maybe that must be the reason that they are not getting the proper sleep, or their stress level must be high. This could be the attribute. Although all these things are risk factor, but some things are non-modifiable. Like genetics is non-modifiable, your race is non-modifiable, your family history is non-modifiable. You cannot change that. and those people who are having heart attacks, heart disease in the family, one parent, and if second parent is again having a heart attack at the younger age, less than 45 in males or less than 55 in females, these people are at 2 to 3 times more risk of getting heart attacks.
But if we'll talk about the age, like earlier we used to say that like a person is above 50, so he should try to go for the checkup after an interval of 1 month. But as of now, what do you suggest according to you? Youth को कितने time, कितने interval के बाद checkup के लिए जाना चाहिए? He should be aware of his like body profile test के बाद, blood test की बात करें या full body profile checkup की बात करें, जो हमें पता है already, जो जम्मू कश्मीर या पूरी इंडिया की बात करें, we are very lazy when it comes to our health. It's the reality. So what are you gonna say on it, sir?
Basically, I told you that in the Indian subcontinent, you are getting heart attacks, almost 25% of heart attacks below the age of 40. So those people who are having very strong family history, whose parents are diabetic, hypertensive, or having premature coronary artery disease in the family, or a brother or a father, these people should start going to a doctor, to see a doctor at least from the early 30s or even late 20s for a regular checkup every yearly. If they are feeling some discomfort, they should get their lipid profile checked. Discomfort if they are feeling exertional symptom, they are feeling dyspnea on exertion, or they are feeling chest heaviness or choking on exertion. And if some person is getting undue gastritis but is not explainable or not getting treated with the conventional antacids, and he's feeling some choked feeling, or he's getting excessive sweating or diaphoresis, which we are called in our terms. So these people should start to go to doctor or getting a regular checkup at the early age, from 30s only. Every yearly, you can go for simple test like lipid profile, you can go for echo, you can go for TMT, treadmill test, just to rationalize your status, cardiac status, how much you can run on the treadmill, what is your metabolic equivalent, how your BP response during the exercise, and what is the recovery like.
Okay, so if we'll talk overexertion, like people who used to go in the gym and all, they used to do like overexertion ho jata hai unme, and overexertion can cause heartaches.
Basically, heart needs isotonic exercises, which we call as these endurance training exercises. If you go on doing cycling, swimming, jogging, these in which you can increase your heart rate beyond 50 to 70% of your target heart rate, which must be 220 minus age. So these endurance training exercises are very good for health because they tone up your heart. If your heart continuously beats at the rate of beyond 150, over the time your heart gets toned, your beat or your contraction gets strong with time. But in case you are doing heavy weight lifting, you are putting very heavy weight, and if you are having a history of sudden death in the family, these are called as isometric exercises. They are not that good for heart because they increase your BP, more of diastolic BP, as well as they can increase the chance of having more muscle mass in your heart. That can lead to the decrease in the size inside the heart chambers. This can be problematic for the young patients.
If we'll talk about the LDL, low density lipoprotein, which is known as a bad cholesterol, and if we'll talk about the HDL, what food we should take so that we could boost our HDL, means a good cholesterol, sir?
I simply says try to take home cooked food, simple. It should include most of the vegetables. It should include at least 5 servings of fruits in a week, and it should include more of the nuts and seeds like flax seeds, walnuts, almonds. You can take all these things, and you try to add more of the fiber. Green leafy vegetables or fiber-rich foods or multi-grain food. Try to avoid all the trans fats food which are mentioned on the trans fats, or those oils which get frozen at the room temperature. You should avoid those things and try to avoid deep fried things and sweeteners and bakery products.
Okay, so as far I know, I'm not expert into this. जो हमारा ये coronary heart disease होती है, जो हमारे arteries में जो हमारा plaque जमा होता है, क्या वो उस प्लाक को हम ख़त्म कर सकते हैं? या अगर हम LDL की बात करें, LDL की लेवल इट शुड बी टिल 100. इफ़ इट्स इन लाइक 100 अगर है देन इट्स फाइन, बट इफ़ इट्स अबाव 100 देन इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ. सो इट मीन्स कि आप हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल की लेवल पे हो, आप एक ऑप्टिमल स्टेज पे हो. तो सर ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है, लाइक इफ़ इट्स अबाव 120 और 130 जिसमें कि हमारी आर्टरीज में जो है प्लाक जमा होता है?
ऐसा नहीं है कि कोलेस्ट्रॉल हमारी बॉडी के लिए हमेशा ही बुरा है. योर बॉडी, योर सेल्स, योर बॉडी, योर ब्रेन, योर जॉइंट्स नीड कोलेस्ट्रॉल डेफिनेटली. बट एक लेवल के बाद अर्लियर गाइडलाइन सेज कि LDL लेवल शुड बी लेस देन 160. देन ओवर द टाइम इट्स वाज सीन दैट योर LDL शुड बी लेस देन 130. देन इट केम टू 100. नो टारगेट इज 70. एंड इन दोज पेशेंट हु आर हैविंग ए वेरी हाई रिस्क और हु आर हैविंग 2 or 3 रिस्क फैक्टर इंक्लूडिंग किडनी प्रॉब्लम, डायबिटीज, हाइपरटेंशन, फैमिली हिस्ट्री, द टारगेट इज नाउ एज लो एज पॉसिबल एंड इवन लेस देन 55. So you try to keep your LDL as low as possible and try to raise your HDL levels. Because you have good cholesterol. It acts as a reverse transporter.
If we'll talk about the triglycerides, so what are the triglycerides food? It means like triglycerides should, like, they are also bad for your health if the level is like above one.
Triglyceride is basically a precursor form of fats. Your body tries to, if you are consuming more energy, you are consuming more of calories, your body tries to convert it into the TGs. These TGs basically they are being utilized at the time of need. You say it's a storehouse. When you feel hungry or you are fasting sometime or you are not taking any meals for, you are missing the meals, your body use this triglyceride as a source of energy. But if you are not allowing that triglyceride to be used by your body at the time of need, you are not fasting, you are not cutting down on your calories, this triglyceride will go on accumulating, and it is definitely a major risk factor for heart disease also. It may convert into other things, LDL and all these things, VLDL.
Okay, so if we'll talk about the smoking, and if we'll talk about the people are like, they don't like the home foods, the youth especially, they don't like home foods. They used to have the pizzas and all the junk. How much role these kind of food, or if we'll talk about the smoke or liquor or the other idleness you said, how much role it plays to boost the heart disease?
Frankly speaking, I am very much against smoking. Because I was in Srinagar for 10-11 years, I have seen people smoking like hell. Every second, third person is smoking. So I think this is one of the major risk factor in the valley. That's why we're getting more of heart attack at very young age in the valley. And it's getting a trend. What elders are doing, children are following that same thing. And most of the women, girls, they are knowingly or unknowingly they're getting passive smoking.
Yeah, I want to ask a question. Women are not facing like women's ratio is lower than the man. Like women का अगर हम देखें तो उतने heart attacks के हमें सामने नहीं, हाँ, cases नहीं मिल रहा. तो as compared to boys.
Basically, women are naturally protected because of estrogen till the age of menopause. Although they do have chances of getting heart attacks, but less as compared to the males till the age of menopause. After the menopause, the risk is almost equal in both the sexes. So these estrogen up to the age of 45, it definitely prevents you from getting these heart attacks because it increases your good cholesterol level. HDL level is usually on higher side and they are naturally protected by that way. But if you are having other risk factor like hypertension, diabetes, hypothyroid or family history, then your risk factor is same. And one more thing in females is that females are getting atypical symptoms of heart attack. Sometimes they are correlating with gastritis, sometimes they are having atypical chest pain. So most of the female as compared to male that they are coming to the hospital with heart attacks with atypical symptoms, and they usually come late. The studies have proven that female used to approach them for medical treatment later than males because their symptoms are not typical. So they should not ignore the symptoms if they are having underlying risk factors, and if they are, especially if they are postmenopausal.
Okay, fine. So any message you want to convey to the youth of Jammu and Kashmir, like any message to the youth regarding like health?
Yeah, I just want to say you should focus on 3 major things. One is try to do 7 hours of sleep. Sleeplessness should be avoided. Second thing, you should try to avoid stress. Try to spend some leisure time with the family. Try to go for some outings. Try to go to gym or do cycling, jogging, whatever you feel comfortable with. And third thing, you need to avoid sedentary lifestyle. Wherever you can, possibly, you try to use stairs, avoid escalators, avoid lifts, and try to move on. At least try to do 1 hour or 2 hours of jogging or cycling wherever you want, wherever you like, or at least weekends you can go for games for 2-3 hours if you can, and try to avoid smoke. This is the major.
Thank you so much for bearing some time with us. So this was with me, Mr. Nasir Chaudhary, a renowned cardiologist from Jammu. All I want to say is stay happy, stay healthy. This is just what your heart wants. So stay connected with CN News Afnan. पहले अगर हम बात करें, अगर हम ओल्ड टाइम्स की बात करें, जो लोग थे लाइक 50 years के, 60 years के, they were facing like heart related issues. But nowadays we are seeing adaptive change that youth is getting indulging. They are facing a heart aches. अगर हम बात करें, हम हर दिन, हर एक दूसरे दिन हम सुनते हैं out of 10, 3 youngsters या 3 teenagers, they are facing heart aches. What's the reason behind that?